I'm sure you're eager to find out how we can turn 15% profit into 87% profit. You may already know how this magic works, and you just want to know how we did it. And that's fine too. It's what we're going to show you today anyway. This is a simplified version of our online profit accelerator formula we use to help all our clients achieve massive profits without getting more leads if you don't want to, overlooking areas of your business, or even wasting money in your marketing efforts. So now, here's the formula. This is a very simple way of measuring profit, and many of you already know this. And for others that may know it, you might just use a different variation of it. The number of leads or opportunities multiplied by the conversion rate, multiplied by the price of your product or service, equals the total amount of revenue collected. Now the next step is where some formulas might be a little bit different. You can either minus your overheads or expenses from your total revenue to receive your profit, or in our case, we would like to multiply the revenue by the profit margin to get you the profit. So either way, you end up with the profit. So let's pretend your current performance is defined by the number shown next. You currently have 100 leads in your sales pipeline, or even 100 people visiting your store. You convert these people at 10% at a sale price of $50. So this will give you a revenue of $500 at a profit margin of 20%, which leaves you with a final profit of $100. It's pretty straightforward, right? Consider scenario 1 then. A lot of business owners who get in touch with us will ask more leads or more traffic to the website, and this would happen if we were to focus just on getting more leads and increasing this by 15%. The leads will go up by 15% to 115, and if everything holds equal, then your profit will increase from $100 to $115. That's awesome. You put more money in the bank already. You can now throw 2 more steaks on the barbecue, or you can even add a few more items to the grocery list. Scenario 2 is where the magic happens, so don't blink. I'm sure you'd all agree that improving by a smaller percentage is much easier than improving by a larger percentage. So to be fair, we'll also be increasing our formula by 15%, but in more bite-sized chunks of 5%. So 3 times 5% improvements to make up the 15% in fact. Now, here are our numbers. You can see that we've increased 3 different areas by 5%. The leads, the conversion rate, and the profit margin. And the final result? $196.75 in the bank, as opposed to just $115. In fact, if we don't increase the leads by 5% and increase the price by 5% increase, the final result will be exactly the same, $196.75. What could you do with an extra $96.75 instead of $15? Imagine you're 6 times faster at reaching your business goals, which means more time with your family and the financial freedom you deserve today. So get in touch with us right now. Find out how the 7 triggers of our online profit accelerator can drastically improve your business profit. Scroll right down to the bottom, fill in your details, and then click the green submit button. That's all you need to do. It's that easy. So click now, think quick, act quick, and learn how to increase your profit by 87%.